Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing, something that came in from Divo Knives, something I ordered directly from them, so coming here. So we're going to take a look at this knife. Today I'm opening up with my Divo Knives, the Buzz, hollow grind, all blacked out, black lynch clip, cool little knife. Let me know if you're interested in this knife. I am selling it, so let me know. Absolutely an outstanding knife. I just have too many knives. I gotta move some. All right, so what do we have here today? Woo, we got a Divo. Okay, so we got a little receipt. Let me grab that. Get that out of the way. All right, so what do we have in here? Ooh, we got a cloth. We got some ooh, some new stickers. Nice, 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 nice. Kevin and Colin knocking it out with some bright color. That looks like the 80s camel carbon, right? Then you got the Divo Nip Light. You got the nice cloth. Very, very cool. So here's the box. Still a nice small box. This one's a little different for me. Obviously, it's probably going to be a channel member giveaway. Nice cloth, though. I like this cloth, though. This that's not going to be a part of the giveaway. You give me a nice cloth, and that stays in my collection to clean my glasses and stuff. What do we have? Whoa, what in the world? Look at the color on this puppy. What's going on here? Let's see what we got here. We got the Divo Nip Light. All right, so it's a flipper jimping all the way around. Reversible clip. I love this kind of clip with a single loop up. That's perfect. It actually has a little lanyard loop. That's interesting. Aluminum on here. I believe it's 154 cm blade steel. Does it say on here? It doesn't say, but I'm pretty sure. We'll take a look here in a second. There's a clip. Nice kind of almost chamfering that makes it give it a contoured shape. So let's go ahead and flip it. There we go. There's that nice hollow grind. There it is, 154 cm. You see that? 154 cm. All right, it is a liner lock. Nice, easy cutaway right there. Easy access. Let's see how well it drops. So there we go. All right, let's see. Can we reverse flick it? Absolutely. It's aluminum, steel. So it's got steel liners on the inside. That's cutaway for weight relief. And aluminum is really nice and light. Looks like T8's here. A little Divo, very simple logo. I love that. I love it. The milled out look. It's cool. I like when they put an extra screw here. It doesn't stick out and cut into you. So that's really nice. It is nice and rounded on the corners, which is really cool. Let's drop that again. Now let's see, how can we flip it? Not bad. Now, the only thing is clearing that little lock. I always seem to catch it right there. Let's see, when do we clear the detent? So we cleared the detent about right there. So if I catch there, I am clear. Okay, so right there. Okay, that's good. Easy reverse flip. Nice and click. Let's listen to that click. So we've done a nip before. We had the kind of a more of a premium nip, right? That was, I believe, I think it was it a giveaway knife? I think it was a giveaway knife. I think it was a 5K or something. So, but this is a pretty nice knife. Now, mind you, this is not a super budget knife. This is right at $100, right? Right at $100. You put skiffs in there, it goes over $100. You put a lynch clip on there, definitely over $100, which is all what I would do. But that purple, look at that purple. That is just kind of dynamite. Really colorful. Nice and centered, which is really cool. Got some nice jimping. The jimping does work. Nice finger twirl, so you can definitely get up here and grip. So you know I got the big meaty fingers on the large hands. So large hands, which means if you had extra large hands with regular fingers, double extra large hands with thinner fingers, this is about your grip. I am definitely at 3.5. This little part does get me here. I can kind of do the little part right there. The choke up gives me a pretty solid. The jimping right there helps me to go up. Can definitely do a pinch grip all day long. Nice hollow grind, even for 154 cm blade steel. That's really nice. Does clear the detent every time I get down to right there. So there we go. And you can, yep, you can do the flip there as well. Can I do a slow roll? Absolutely slow roll. Can I do a slow roll left-handed? Absolutely, because it is a liner lock, right? Can I flip it left-handed? Absolutely. Can I do the thumb? Absolutely. Flipper? Absolutely. Now the flipper on here, it looks like you can do the push button or you can do the light switch. Light switch kind of feels a little more, has a little more powerful deployment. The reverse flick works well as well. So you got some nice edging there, easy to get a hold of. They actually chamfered this on top. That's a nice touch. It's a nice touch. People miss that a lot of times. Even for a budget knife like this, which I consider a budget knife, it's right at $99. Anything 100 or below is a budget knife to me. For some, budget knife is 50 bucks or 40 bucks. Not for me. I think under 100 or under, that's a budget knife, right? Even the low 100 sometimes can be a budget knife if you find it on sale, or, you know, just depending on the materials and what you're getting. It's, just because it's 100 bucks doesn't mean it's suddenly a regular knife. I mean, I feel like it all depends, right? So, very cool. I like it. I like it a lot. The purple's not bad at all. It's kind of an interesting color. It nicely chamfered around it there. That's comfortable. No hot spots there. I mean, I even took care of that little edge there. That's a nice touch. I like that. Okay, so this reminds me, a lot of the nip that I had was titanium. But for some reason, this feels a little easier to access. Like they refined the pattern on there. I don't know if it was more challenging to do titanium or what, but this is really nice. Really nice. Now, I might put a little oil in there for the detent, because you can see that. And lock up. Nice and solid. No pivot play. Let's hear the detent again. Nice clickety. No detent lash. Clear there. Close. Yeah, there we go. Nice. This worked pretty nicely. Very surprising. Very surprising. Very cool. Very cool. 154 cm blade steel. I like this texture here. I like the clip a lot. I like even the little lanyard. It's a back spacer, but has like a little lanyard built in there. So you lanyard people rejoice, especially if it's a small knife and you really feel like you definitely need a lanyard. But I like it this way. I mean, to me, it's like you got the lanyard for the lanyard people, but it doesn't take priority. So to me, I'm happy about that. All right, so very cool little knife. I do dig that. I do dig that. The action's not bad. I might put just a touch of oil on there. Let's just do that. Just a little touch of heavyweight oil on the detent ball right there. That's on the liner lock. I'm gonna put a little bit. Make sure I find that. Where are you? There you are. I'll just put a little drop on there. See if that makes a little difference. Okay. That's a little bit nicer. I like that. I like that a lot. Let's wipe that blade down a little bit. All right, let's zoom in on this guy and take a look. Get a nice close look up. There's that nice hollow grind. Nice fuller thumb hole. That purple aluminum anodized or aluminum coated scale. The Divo knives, captive pivot. Got the two-sided clip. You can go left hand tip up. A single standoff screw. Well, it's not standoff, but sorry, backspacer screw. All right, so then we go on the back side here. There's the T8s again. Nice pivot collar on there. That's nice. There's the clip screw again. You can switch on both sides. It does have this as a little, keep it from getting scratched, since I'm giving it this way. I'm not going to do a whole lot with this. Backspacer back there. You can see the weight relief. Can you see that? The weight relief in there on the steel liners that are in there. All right, and so there's a 154 cm blade steel. And here's the blade on the back side with the hollow grind. Nice. And you can see that clear the detent, and it does drop. So there it is, closed on both sides. Backspacer. There it is, nice and centered. See that? So there you go. Let me zoom back out. So here's the knife. Let's get a nice close up on this guy. Move this off to the side. Why is this in my shot? Stop. And this is in my shot too. Sorry. Got all the stuff in my shot. So there you go with a nice hollow grind. What do y'all think? I like it. I like it. Cool little knife. There you go. Very cool. Very cool. Kevin and Colin just do a great job. Divo Knives, I like them. I like it. I like their stuff a lot. I like their stuff. Their budget stuff is really cool. My favorite has always been for budget. Well, it was the Pony Stout, but then I got a hold of the Mash 2.5. Really like that. Ended up giving it away as a giveaway just because it had to be something special. And then I had the Pony Stout Premium. Is it the Pony Stout Premium? Yeah, Pony Stout Premium. I'm holding that one probably for the 6K giveaway. So again, wanted to make something special for the 6K, something that I really enjoyed that was in my collection. I want to make sure they're cool knives. So that's why some of these things get picked, because I really like the stuff. And I want to make sure you guys know that I'm giving stuff away that's meaningful to me and hopefully will be meaningful to you guys. So there you go. So most likely this will be a giveaway knife, right? I don't know if it's going to be a channel members giveaway. Might be. Or if it's going to be a regular giveaway for everybody. That's my prerogative since I bought it, right? I get to choose. But we'll see. We'll see. It all depends. But very, very cool. Very cool little knife. I dig it. I like the purple. It actually really works. I'm not usually into colors. I mean, I'm doing 80s camo carbon lately, and now this purple, and I don't hate it. Go figure. That's just crazy. That's absolute craziness. So, stranger things, right? Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or entertaining, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? If you've already hit that like button, would you please also consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the channel really helps out the channel. Allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to everyone who watches the videos, who likes the videos, who enjoys the content. I so appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. I really mean that, especially if you watch the live streams and everything. I'm humbled by that, so thank you. If you haven't already, hit that notification button down below as well, so you can be notified of future content like this video. And to all my channel members, a big thank you. I genuinely mean that. Thank you. You guys allow me to do things way sooner than I ever thought I'd be able to do. I mean, everybody's part of this channel and makes this channel happen, and so I'm grateful to everyone. But channel members, you have a little special place in my heart because your generosity allowed me to do a lot of things way sooner than I ever thought I would. So I just want to say thank you to you guys. But I also want you to know that I have a couple of ways to just celebrate that and to show my appreciation. I do a once a month members only giveaway. It's an exclusive knife. It's not going to be a budget knife. Definitely be something above this. So like if you consider this like a channel member, regular channel subscriber giveaway, then the Pony Stout Premium would likely be equivalent to what, I'm not saying I'm going to do that, but it would be equivalent to what I would do for channel members, right? Something up there. Definitely not a budget knife. It's going to be in the $100 to $200. Sometimes one time it was almost $300 knife, and it's my way to say thank you. So just know that that happens once a month. So yeah, there you go. Also, if you're a brand new channel member, email me with your name and address. I'd love to mail you a sticker. Small way for me to say thank you. And then to all my channel members who've been channel members all along, or you were a channel member, became a channel member, and right now currently you're a channel member. If you've never asked for a channel member sticker, never gotten one, email me as well with your name and address. I'd love to mail you a sticker as well to say thank you. I really like doing that. It's my personal way to put a personal touch on saying thank you. So yeah, I appreciate you guys. I'm humbled by all of this. So if you haven't already, also maybe check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.